this kind of behavior is known as anger. क्रोध, गुस्सा, मानसिक ऊहापोह, mental disturbance, or we can say the worst stage of our mental health. Dear students, we are human beings and we are the most wonderful and superior creation of our Mother Nature. We have a wonderful weapon that gives us the best tool to control all other species in the Brahman as well as control ourselves too. And this weapon is termed as Buddhi and Vivek that comes from right education and awareness. यदि समय रहते हुए दुर्योधन ने अपनी बुद्धि और विवेक का प्रयोग किया होता और अपने क्रोध पर नियंत्रण रखा होता तो महाभारत जैसा विध्वंसकारी युद्ध कभी हुआ ही न होता। युद्ध के परिणाम सदैव भयंकर होते हैं। That's why it becomes more important to control our emotions, our anger. But before starting ahead to know the techniques of anger management, firstly we have to know what is anger actually. Guys, anger is nothing. It's just a pure emotion that can be seen not only in human beings but also in other creatures too. It is characterized by the feeling of annoyance, irritation and antagonism. According to Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, shloka number 62, Bhagavan Shri Krishna says to Arjuna, ध्यानयेत विषयापुंसः संगस्तेषु उपजायते संगस्तात् सज्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते। अर्थात हे अर्जुन, जो पुरुष विषय अथवा भौतिक सुख सुविधाओं में संलग्न रहता है वह उन विषयों के प्रति आसक्त हो जाता है। आसक्ति के होने से कामना की उत्पत्ति होती है और कामना की पूर्ति न होने पर क्रोध उत्पन्न होता है। क्रोध यह एक एंगर आइसबर्ग है that displays the causes and reflection of anger in your behavior. Feeling of frustration, irritation, embarrassment, guilt, fear, pain, jealousy, and many more other hidden feelings of our mind and heart causes anger, and it is reflected in our behavior in the form of shouting, stomping, throwing objects, and louder voice. क्रोध नरक का द्वार है। Our blessed Lord says in shloka number 63, हे पार्थ, हे धनुर्धारी, क्रोधादिभवति सम्मोह, क्रोधादिभवति सम्मोह, सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमम्, स्मृति भ्रंशादि बुद्धिनाशो, बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति। अर्थात हे धनुर्धारी, क्रोध के कारण मूढ़ भाव उत्पन्न होता है। मूढ़ भाव के आ जाने से स्मृति में भ्रम उत्पन्न होता है, तर्क वितर्क करने की क्षमता नष्ट हो जाती है, बुद्धि का नाश हो जाता है। बुद्धि और विवेक के नाश होने पर हम सभी दुर्योधन की भांति अपने नाश को प्राप्त होते हैं। अर्थात मनुष्य अपने स्तर से गिर जाता है। Anger can be found in three forms. First one, anyone is suppressing at the moment when you suppress the sneaky feeling like anger, but later on it reflects in your behavior in different manners. It also causes or brings distraction. But the third one is calmness. And this is the productive way to show our anger. One of my students from class 6B, once I said him, तुमसे ना होगा बेटा, अब तो तुमने पढ़ा ले। मैम ने ऐसा बोला है, मैं करके दिखाऊंगा और मैम को रॉन्ग प्रूफ करूंगा। And amazingly, that boy is the topper for this term. Because he knows how to change from distraction to production. And for this, don't worry, I have some top tips for anger management because we have to manage our anger. First one is spot the sign. When you are studying with someone, firstly recognize the physical change in your body. And the changes are in the form of clenching fists, clenching jaws, getting redness or hotness around your neck or your face, heart rate rapid, high blood pressure, and many more. If you are experiencing any one of the symptoms in your body while studying with someone, सांस जा रही है. After this, you will be relaxed in hardly 10 to 15 seconds. And क्रोध जो नर्क का द्वार है, आप इस द्वार से वापस लौट आएंगे. In long term, you have to recognize the triggers. गुस्सा ऐसे ही नहीं आता, कोई दिला देता है. Suppose if someone is abusing you, गुस्सा आ गया. I know, I understand. If someone is abusing you, बुरा लगता है, दिल से बुरा लगता है. But क्या बुरा लगता क्या है? किसी ने आपको abuse किया इस बात का, या आपको abuse नहीं आती इस बात का, या फिर सामने वाले के पास गालियों का बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन है इस बात का. Recognize the trigger that push you to be angry. And make yourself cool, calm, and relaxed. Again, think about the consequences. Use if and then consequences statement. It helps you to provide a correct information about your errors. You will take better decisions about your enemy. अगर किसी ने आपको गाली दे दी, stop. सामने वाला will hurt you physically. Okay? Again, build your self-confidence and self-esteem. Recently, in half-yearly examination, an incident happened with me in class 7 examination of mathematics. A question seemed like out of the syllabus, but it was a part of syllabus. Student complained, this is the out of syllabus question, but I was fully confident, like this is the question related to example number 1.3 before exercise, and this is the part of syllabus. When Ravi sir came to me, then I smiled and said, sir, it's the part of syllabus. At that moment, I have to be angry. But why should I, if I am fully confident? No. So build up your confidence. Next, if you are stuck in this situation that you are already Distract yourself. Guys, this is the most amazing and my favorite technique to manage my anger. Usually I use this technique in the classroom as well. Suppose sometimes you are studying with me in argument and I usually sing a Cocomelon song in my mind like A for apple, A for ant, B for bus and B for cat, Sometimes I used to do like Sanand Anand Davri Vasantam Anand Kandam Hat Papurandam Varanasina Thamanatinatham Shri Vishwanatham Sharanam Pravadhe. Guys, please don't go with my voice. I am बहुत बुरा बेसुरा गायक. But क्या ही बुराई है बेसुरे गायन में? क्या ही बुराई है बेसुरे गायन में? यदि यह मुझे मेरे मानसिक स्वास्थ्य की ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाता है. Isn't it funny? You are very furious. Ooh-ta-na-na-na. And I am in different mood. Like, oh, टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार. And you are thinking that I am listening to you. Why should I listen to you? If you are telling me to do my work is a kind of देश का भविष्य है. मेरे हाथ में देश का भविष्य है. So I have to be fit and fine in terms of physical as well as mental. Dear students, you also should practice this technique. In fact, you have to practice this technique if you want to manage your anger at moment as well as in long term. Maybe your friends, your teachers, your parents, or the person that you are angry with. Or it may be your boss, your batchmate, our respected principal man will help you surely for managing your anger. बच्चों, there is nothing wrong in anger. It's okay to be angry. But what things